Hey, and welcome to the Financial Mindset Revolution. Today, we're going to talk about 10 things to avoid in 2024 if you want to achieve financial freedom. 1. Avoid living paycheck to paycheck. One of the biggest mistakes people make is living paycheck to paycheck. This means that they are constantly spending all of their money and have no savings. This is a recipe for disaster, as it means that you are always one missed paycheck away from financial ruin. Remember to always pay yourself first by putting a portion of your paycheck into your savings. 2. Avoid impulse purchases. Impulse purchases can quickly derail your financial goals. Before you buy something, take a few minutes to think about whether you really need it. If the answer is no, then put it back on the shelf. 3. Avoid relying on credit cards. Credit cards can be a dangerous tool if you're not careful. They can lead to high-interest debt that can take years to pay off. If you need to use a credit card, make sure you pay off the balance in full each month. 4. Avoid overspending on housing. Your housing expenses should be no more than 30% of your gross income. If you're spending more than that, then you're overspending. Consider downsizing or finding a cheaper place to live. 5. Avoid skipping retirement savings. Retirement savings is one of the most important things you can do for your financial future. The earlier you start saving, the more time your money has to grow. Even if you can only afford to save a little bit each month, it will make a big difference in the long run. 6. Avoid neglecting your health. Your health is your most important asset. Take care of yourself by eating healthy, exercising regularly, and getting enough sleep. This will not only improve your quality of life but also save you money on healthcare costs in the future. 7. Avoid getting into non-mortgage debt. Debt can be a major burden on your finances. Avoid taking on more debt than you can afford to repay. If you are already in debt, work on paying it off as quickly as possible. 8. Avoid making uneducated investments. Investing can be a great way to grow your wealth, but it's important to do your research before you invest. Don't invest in anything you don't understand. Avoid chasing hypes. 9. Avoid relying on only one source of income. If you want to achieve financial freedom, you need to take control of your finances. This means starting your own business or investing in assets that will generate income for you. 10. Avoid being afraid to take risks. Taking risks is part of the journey to financial freedom. But it's important to be smart about the risks you take. Do your research, and only take risks that you are comfortable with. Risk does not always equal taking on debt. Achieving financial freedom is a challenging but rewarding goal. By avoiding these 10 mistakes, you can increase your chances of success. Remember, it's never too late to start improving your finances. Start small, and you'll be well on your way to achieving your financial goals. The best time to start was yesterday. The next best time is today. If you're serious about achieving financial freedom, I encourage you to take action today. Start by creating a budget and tracking your spending. Then, start making small changes to your lifestyle that will help you save money. I also recommend that you read books and articles about personal finance. There is a wealth of information available that can help you make informed decisions about your money. Remember, financial freedom is not a destination, it's a journey. Enjoy the ride, and don't give up.